Hello, welcome to Super Smartens. I am Rajiv Dave. In this video lecture, you can know about active and passive voice. Before study about active and passive voice, just recall transitive verb, intransitive verb, tense, to be form, past participle kind of sentence. Okay, now let's see this sentence. Jwalan plays cricket. Here, Jwalan is subject, doer, plays verb, and cricket is an object. This object receives the act actually. It is receiver of an act in the sentence. That's why here we can say that a verb that requires object to complete its meaning is known as transitive verb. Here in this sentence, Jwalan smiles. Here, verb smile does not require object. That's why we can say that it is intransitive verb. Okay, now another sentence also you can study. I write a letter. Here I is subject, write verb, a letter is an object. Here also verb write required an object. That's why it is called transitive verb. Okay, you know tenses. I hope you know. If you don't know, then see our videos. Then to be form of, I hope you know that. To be form of present tense is MR. To be form of past tense was were. To be form of future tense will shall. Past participle, okay. Participle is partly verb or partly an adjective. Actually, you can find the past participle form of all words in some books. As for example, we take that this word write. A past tense of write is wrote and past participle return. Likewise, play, played, played. Played is past participle. Okay. Okay. Then you must have knowledge of kind of sentences. Okay. There are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now let's see here. Again, Jwalan plays cricket. Here you can see that here the doer is given importance. Okay. So we can say that when subject is given importance, or we can say the verb is said to be in the active voice when the verb speaks about its subject as acting. So here this verb shows what? Active voice. This is active voice. Okay. Now what is passive voice actually? Okay. The verb said to be in the passive voice when the verb speaks of its subject of being acted upon. In the sentence, object is given importance. Okay, let's see some example. अगर आपको नोट्स बनानी हो तो वीडियो को पॉज करके लिख लीजिए. Now let's see rules for transformation of sentence from active voice to passive voice. A sentence form of active voice is subject plus verb plus object. Sentence form of passive voice: object. This object will come here plus to be form of verb plus past participle plus by plus subject. So you can see here that this subject now will be take place of an object in passive form. Object will become new subject, and here we will use to be form of verb according to the tense of the active voice sentence, and place by here before subject or new object. Okay, so let's see some rules like that. Object of active voice is changed into subject in passive voice. Then subject of active voice is changed into object in passive voice. Object preceding by in the passive voice, and use proper form of be according to the tense and number of the subject. Let's see one example. For example, I write a letter. So सबसे पहले आप क्या ध्यान रखोगे, सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है? तो आई क्या है? सब्जेक्ट है. राइट वर्ब है, और वर्ब इन प्रेजेंट, ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का सेंटेंस है, बिकॉज वर्ब फॉर्म इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. ओके, एंड अ लेटर इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट here, receiver of an action. We can tell that receiver of an action. Suppose this is an active voice sentence. Now convert it into the passive voice. So here now see, a letter is an object. So object will be become subject here. So first of all write a letter. Now see, a letter is third person singular, and our sentence is in simple present tense. Okay, so we have to use to be form of the present tense for third person singular subject, and that is. Then use past participle, write, that is written. Okay, then place by, and our previous subject will become now our object, and this is I. But here see, the I will convert into me. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, let's see some more examples. Okay, ओके, हमने अभी देखा ये सेंटेंस, एक्टिव फॉर्म था आई राइट ए लेटर, और उसका पैसिव फॉर्म था अ लेटर इज रिटन बाय मी, एंड हियर वी सी दैट आई कन्वर्ट इनटू मी. ओके, सो in passive structure we use the second case of subject. The list is as follows. Here I will become me in passive form. We will become us. Means we write a letter. A letter is written by us. Here will be us. If you are given you, then it will be remain you. You write a letter. A letter is written by you. Okay. Here he will become him. So he writes a letter. A letter is written by him. Here will be him. Okay. She will convert into her. Here she writes a letter. A letter is written by her. It will be remain it. It writes a letter. A letter is written by it. And here they convert into them. They write a letter. A letter is written by them. Okay, I hope you understand. Now one more thing I would like to say, that just consider this sentence. I have, this is passive voice sentence. I have fought a good fight. Okay, now here on first side this verb looks like intransitive verb. Okay, let's say if I write that I fight. Okay, then we understand that. Okay, this fight does not require an object. This is intransitive verb. Okay, here I have fought a good fight. Okay, now we can, sorry, this is active voice sentence. Then in passive voice we can write a good fight has been fought by me. ओके, थैंक यू। और इस पार्ट में ये इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट था एक्टिव और पैसिव वॉइस का। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। बट अब जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट्स आएंगे उसमें मैं एक्टिव और पैसिव जो हैं उनको हम ऐसे टेंसेस एज वेल एज काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस, वो दोनों को ध्यान में रख के हम एग्जांपल्स लेंगे। मतलब नेक्स्ट पार्ट आएगा उसमें हम ऐसे लेंगे, जैसे टेंसेस में सबसे पहले लेंगे प्रेजेंट टेंस, और प्रेजेंट टेंस में काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस भी, मतलब प्रेजेंट टेंस में सबसे पहले लेंगे सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस। तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड WH क्वेश्चंस। ओके, लाइकवाइज ऑल टेंसेस पढ़ेंगे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। प्लीज like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for our next video. Thank you.